Welcome back to Craft Catalog. Today we are giving the living room a cozy Christmas makeover using only wood projects that cost under $20 each. These ideas are warm, rustic, and perfect for turning your space into a festive holiday retreat without spending a lot of money. Every project is simple, beginner-friendly, and adds that handcrafted Christmas charm. Let's get started. The first project is a rustic wooden mantel shelf accent. Take a thin wood board, stain it in a warm brown color and let it dry. Once it is ready, place it across the top of your existing mantel or shelf. Add greenery, candles, and ornaments on top. The wood acts as a natural base that instantly warms up the space and makes your decorations look more intentional and layered. It is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your living room without building anything major. The second project is a set of wooden Christmas lanterns. Cut a few small wood pieces into a square base and 4 tall sides using simple straight cuts. Glue or nail the frame together, then add a top piece. Leave the lanterns natural, stain them, or paint them white for a farmhouse winter style. Place a flameless candle inside each lantern and set them on the floor or next to the fireplace. The soft glow of the candles mixed with the wood frame adds a magical Christmas mood. The third project is a wooden blanket ladder. This is a classic cozy decor piece that also serves as practical storage. Use 2 long boards for the sides and 4 or 5 shorter pieces for the rungs. Attach the rungs evenly, sand the entire ladder, and stain it in a color that matches your living room. Lean it against the wall and hang Christmas blankets, string lights, or small greenery garlands over the rungs. Not only does it look warm and festive, but it also turns your blankets into part of your decoration. The fourth project is a wooden centerpiece for the coffee table. Start with a simple rectangular tray or make one by screwing or gluing thin boards together. Add a handle on each side if you like. Fill the tray with pine cones, greenery, small wooden ornaments, or candles. Because the tray is made of wood, it brings a calm, natural feel to the room and makes everything look neat and styled. This project costs very little but gives your coffee table a high-end Christmas look. The fifth project is a DIY wood picture ledge filled with holiday prints. Cut 1 flat board for the base and 2 narrow boards for the back and front lip. Attach them with glue or nails to form a shallow shelf. Hang it on the wall above your couch or near the fireplace. Place framed Christmas prints, wooden signs, or small winter artwork along the ledge. You can switch out the designs every year without buying new decor. The wood frame keeps everything warm and cohesive. And finally, the 6th project is a wooden Christmas tree shelf accent. Cut 1 triangle shape for the tree and 2 small pieces for the base stand. Attach them and paint or stain the tree. Display it on your TV stand, your mantel, or your side table. It adds a simple Scandinavian Christmas touch and fits in almost any corner of the room. Before we finish, here's one design tip. When decorating for Christmas using wood, try mixing different textures like knit blankets, soft pillows, natural greenery, and warm lights. This combination transforms the room into a cozy holiday retreat while keeping everything balanced and welcoming. And that brings us to the end of this makeover. These 6 wooden projects are inexpensive, easy to create, and perfect for giving your living room a warm Christmas atmosphere. If you enjoyed this cozy makeover, remember to like, subscribe, and let me know which Christmas project you want next. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog and happy crafting.